In front of me is Realme GT60 and today I would like to show you how you can clone app. Begin by launching settings and clicking on apps over here. Then tap on App Cloner and simply pick one of those apps by tapping on the chosen one. Then use this switcher next to Create App Clone to clone it. And adjust those two options by clicking on the chosen ones. If you want to click on when using quick functions, apply one of those options, always ask or open original app. And if you wish to rename your app clone, hit here and type in wherever you want to. Then hit save. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the Now Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!